What if I told you that learning basketball doesn't require years of training or natural athletic talent? What if the secret was actually much simpler than you think? Just 6 months ago, I was that person who couldn't even dribble without looking down at the ball. I'd avoid pickup games at the gym because I was embarrassed. My friends would invite me to play, and I'd always make up excuses. The truth was, I felt completely lost every time I touched a basketball. I didn't know where to start, and every YouTube video I watched seemed to assume I already knew the basics. But then I discovered something that changed everything. A simple, 3-step system that any beginner can follow, regardless of age or athletic ability. And the best part? You only need 15 minutes a day to see real progress. Here's exactly what I did, and what you can do too. First, I focused on one fundamental skill for 2 weeks straight. Wall dribbling. Not fancy crossovers or behind-the-back moves, just bouncing the ball against a wall with my dominant hand for 5 minutes every day. Here's why this works so well. When you dribble against a wall, the ball comes back to you at different angles, which forces your hand to adjust naturally. This builds what coaches call touch much faster than regular dribbling. After just 1 week, I noticed my hand positioning improved dramatically, and I could feel the ball better. Next, I added shooting form practice without actually shooting. This might sound strange, but bear with me. I spent 5 minutes each day just practicing my shooting motion in front of a mirror without a ball. I focused on 3 things: elbow under the ball, follow through that looks like I'm reaching into a cookie jar, and keeping my shooting hand facing the target. The reason this works is because muscle memory develops through repetition, not through making shots. By practicing the motion slowly and correctly, my brain learned the right pattern. When I finally started shooting real basketballs, my form was already consistent. Finally, I dedicated 5 minutes to reading the game by watching one basketball highlight video every day. But here's the key part. I didn't just watch for entertainment. I picked one specific thing to focus on each time. Maybe it was how players moved without the ball, or how they positioned their feet on defense. This trained my basketball IQ without stepping on a court. The science behind this is called observational learning. Your brain processes movement patterns even when you're just watching, which helps you recognize situations faster during real games. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too simple to actually work. I was skeptical too. 15 minutes a day felt almost too easy, like I wasn't putting in enough effort. But here's what happened that convinced me. After just 1 month of following this routine, something incredible occurred. I was at the gym, and someone asked if I wanted to join their pickup game. For the first time ever, I said yes. Not only did I keep up, but people started asking me how long I'd been playing. One guy even complimented my shooting form. That moment, I realized that consistent small efforts really do compound into major improvements. Here's what I want you to do. Commit to this 15-minute routine for just 30 days. Set a timer each day. 5 minutes wall dribbling with your dominant hand. 5 minutes shooting form practice in front of a mirror. 5 minutes watching basketball with focused attention on one specific skill. Don't try to learn everything at once. Don't worry about being perfect. Just show up for 15 minutes every single day. Small, consistent actions create extraordinary results. In 30 days, you'll surprise yourself with how much you've improved. In 60 days, you'll be the one giving advice to other beginners. The basketball player you want to become is just 15 minutes a day away.